my name is Chaaranvi. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you an interesting story about Little Red Hen. The story name is The Story of the Little Red Hen only. So let's start. Once upon a time, there lived a lamb, a cat, a pig, and a little red hen on an old farm. One day she found some grains of wheat. She went to the other animals and said, "Look what I have found. Who will help me plant these grains of wheat?" "Not I," said the lamb. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the pig. "Then I will do it myself," said Little Red Hen. And so she planted the seeds. When she planted the seeds, she went to the other animals and asked, "Who will help me water these seeds?" "Not I," said the lamb. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the pig. "Then I will do it myself." And so she did it herself. And so she watered the soil. She waited for a long time. After a long wait, the wheat was finally tall and golden. She knew it was ready to be harvested. So she went to the animals and asked, "Who will help me harvest the wheat?" "Not I," said the lamb. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the pig. "Then I will do it myself." And so she did. Her basket was soon filled with wheat. She went to the animals and asked, "Who will help me mill this wheat?" "Not I," said the lamb. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the pig. "Then I will do it myself." She took the wheat into the mill. The miller ground the wheat into flour. The little red hen carried the flour in the brown sack. The little red hen went to the animals and asked, "Who will help me bake this loaf? Who will help me bake this bread? Who will help me make this flour into bread?" "Not I," said the lamb. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the pig. "Then I will do it myself." She mixed the flour into the she mixes the flour into sticky dough and kneaded into a smooth loaf. She then put this smooth loaf into the oven. Soon the farm was filled with very delicious bread. She took off the bread. She took off the bread from the oven. As the bread smells very good, all animals came running. Little Red Hen then asked, "Who will help me eat this tasty and delicious bread?" "I will," said the lamb. "I will," said the cat. "I will," said the pig. "No, you will not. You did not help me. You did not help me plant it or water it or harvest it or mill it." So she ate the bread herself. "Oh no," said the lamb. "Oh no," said the cat. "Oh no," said the pig. From the animals learned their lesson, and from that day they worked together. They lived happily ever after. So I am ending my story. Did you love it? So it's time to say bye-bye. Stay home, stay safe, stay still. Enjoy my more education videos. Bye-bye. And please support me. Bye. And please share with your family and friends. Bye-bye. And please don't go outside. Stay home and always sanitize your hands. Bye-bye.